You can make $500 a day in 20 minutes with AI working from home with this lazy man strategy called Autoblogging. Now, I've been doing it to earn Amazon Associates affiliate income as well as other affiliate income. Now, I'm going to share with you my exact strategy for how I'm doing this so that you can follow along and you can do this starting today. Here we go. Now, there is no way that you can watch this entire step-by-step tutorial and not come out of it without making some sort of money. It's going to be nearly impossible. I'm even going to show you a real life example of how I'm using this to earn money. Now, what we're talking about today is called autoblogging. Autoblogging is powerful because it allows you to create full websites overnight that have hundreds of blog articles on them without you ever having to write a single line yourself or hire 50 writers to create that content for you. Take a look at this. I did not write this article. By the way, this is my website. I did not write this article at all. Nor did I pay anyone to write this article for me. This article is 100% completely AI generated. You would not know that by reading this article because it reads as if someone, a human being actually behind this article, actually wrote this, but that did not happen. All I did was publish this onto my site. I added some images. As you can see here, I add some images, and then I went ahead and I scattered my affiliate links all throughout the blog post. Now, guess what happens? When someone clicks on these affiliate links, I get paid a commission, and most of these links on here are Amazon affiliate commissions. Now, imagine what would happen if I went ahead and uploaded 100, 200, or 300 of these AI generated articles to earn Amazon affiliate commissions. Now, imagine what would happen if you were to do that. Right? By the way, you don't need to be an Amazon influencer or have an Amazon Associates account in order to make money with your autoblog. I just happen to be in both programs. Now, you can affiliate for any other program and you can make money with that with your autoblog, or you can sell digital products via your autoblog. There are so many different avenues to making money. Now, let me show you an example here. So let's go back to this credit card stickers blog post, which is completely AI generated, right? And so if you scroll down, you will see that there is this box here. Okay, so another way that I earn money with this article is not just with Amazon Associates. I also have other affiliate programs. Now, this button here will take someone over to my next blog post, which shows people how to make $275 with the SoFi referral bonus. And as you can see here, here is my SoFi referral link, and I get paid $75 per referral, which you can as well, by the way, if you want to sign up for this program. You will see that link down below. But these are different ways in which you can make money with your autoblog, right? So this one credit card stickers, digitally AI generated article is making me a lot of money, or has the potential to make me a lot of money, right? So I just went ahead and published this, but I've used this one tool that I'm about to share with you to generate other articles on my blog post. Now, I bet you would not realize that these are AI generated. I bet $100 that you would not notice that some of the articles all throughout my website have not been written by me. And that is the power of this kind of tool that I'm about to show you. Now, back to this article here. If you go ahead and you click on the shop card covers on Amazon, I just want to share with you where that goes to. So as an Amazon influencer, I have a storefront, which I can send to people over to my Amazon influencer storefront. As you can see here, I send people over to this one idea list, which shares different credit card sticker designs. Now, if they go ahead and if they purchase any of these products or other products on Amazon within 24 hours of them clicking on my link, guess what? I earn a commission, and this is the exact same way that you can go ahead and earn Amazon affiliate commission or any other affiliate money on your autoblog. This is the AI tool that is going to help you make $500 per day online in 20 minutes worth of work. This is the AI tool that powers my website and my ability to earn affiliate commissions every single day with my AI generated articles. Okay, it's an important tool. It is going to help you scale online to get to making $500 per day in 20 minutes. Now, a lot of people think it's not possible, but when you can do this at scale with an AI tool that is going to be writing all of your blog posts, it is absolutely possible to do. Now, you can try out Koala Writer absolutely for free today. There is a link underneath this video. Go ahead, use that link, sign up to Koala Writer. Now, If you do not yet have a website or a blogging site, you don't know how to get started with a website, I'm also going to place another link that is to share with you some of the important elements you need on your site in order for Google to say, okay, this is a site that we can find online and that is worth showing to our audience, our readers. So there's going to be another link for that, okay? Then after you've signed up for those two things, come back to Koala Writer. I'm going to show you how to go through this to create these pieces of content that are going to rank on Google and get you to making $500 per day in passive online income. Now, I want to show you over here that this is the actual article that I created in Koala Writer, or that Koala Writer wrote for me, that is featured on my website. So I want to show you this because there are a lot of people online that show you how to make money online, but they don't actually practice what they preach. I practice what I preach. What I'm showing and what I show in my YouTube videos is exactly what I do to make money online. If you implement these things that I teach you, the hardest part is for people to get up and actually implement. If you implement this stuff, you will make money. It's as simple as that. And this is how I am scaling my income online. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the credit card stickers blog post, AI generated. It is nearly identical to what I posted on here. The reason I say it's nearly identical is because there were a couple of paragraphs that were summary paragraphs that Koala Writer wrote under each section that I just didn't want that duplicate information. So I just pretty much just, deleted those paragraphs. Okay. And I just shortened it a little bit. But over here, you will see that the word count for the article is over 2,200 words. Had you hired a writer to write this for you, this would have cost you anywhere between $100 to $250, depending on the quality of the writer that you hired. Now, if you use Koala Writer, you're really looking at $2 to $5 to $10 per article. It really depends on the word count that you're using, okay? When you think about this, right? When you clearly think about this and you're saying, okay, I'm spending $5 or $10 for Koala Writer to write one article for me that is going to help me generate over $500 per day in passive income with, your combined articles, it makes sense to make the investment, right? It makes sense. $10, $500 per day. It adds up very quickly. So let's go over here to Koala Writer. I'm going to show you how I did this so that you can follow along and you can do this for yourself. You go to Koala Writer. You enter a project name, whatever you want to name it. I just go ahead and name it close to what my article name is going to be. Then you go ahead and you select which version of ChatGPT you want Koala Writer to use to generate your blog post. I would highly recommend you choosing the GPT-4 version. It's going to give you more accurate and original content. The reason that is important is because it's going to signal to Google that you are an original content creator. And when they get that signal, then they say, okay, this is something worth then showing to our audience. At least that's one of the elements that signals to Google. There are many elements. Again, the training down below, the free training down below is going to show you all of the elements you need in order to create a money-making affiliate site. All right. So I would highly recommend going with ChatGPT-4, which is what I used for my credit card stickers article. You will be using more Koala Writer credits to do that. But again, it is highly worth doing it that way. You want that original content and that accurate content for your readers. Then you will have the option of selecting the article type. Now, for the credit card stickers, I went ahead and I just selected the regular blog post type of article. That's because that's an informational article that I'm doing. But let me show you something here. This is going to be powerful for you if you are in the Amazon Associates program or if you are an Amazon influencer. You will have the ability to ask Koala Writer to create Amazon product reviews for you. They can go out, Koala Writer can go out and search websites and search social posts and search different kinds of feeds to get accurate information for you and do all that research that would have taken you hours to do, right? Because when we write blog posts, we actually are just doing a lot of research online and then creating the blog post. Koala Writer will do all those hours of research for you in a matter of seconds, and they will create a comparison review. So let's say, for example, you want to write an Amazon affiliate article, a product review article that is showing you the comparison between one type of LED TV versus another type of LED TV, they will do that for you. All you do, go ahead, post it to your site, add your Amazon affiliate links here for you. Okay. You could do that at scale if you want to do that, right? It's a powerful tool. Now, if you are a YouTuber, you can also have your videos transcribed and you can create that into a blog post. I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing that option just because Google requires you to have certain search elements, and it's very different when you do a YouTube video to write as if you were, with all the actual keyword terms that will get you to rank on Google. Okay. So I wouldn't recommend necessarily that option, but target keyword. Now, this is going to be something that is strategically done to find the target keywords that are low competition, that are going to get you found on Google. Does take a bit of research. Now, I did write a full article that is going to help you with that research. I will post it down below, but it will show you how to use ChatGPT-4. It will show you how to use SEO tools such as Ahrefs to find low competition keywords. These are keywords that some bloggers have not found just yet, or there's only a few bloggers who have found it. And now it gives you have the opportunity now to write blog posts on these terms that people are searching for, yet there's not enough content on Google, right? So if you find low competition keywords, guess what? You're going to rank a lot easier on Google. People are going to find you. They're going to click on your affiliate links. You're going to make money. SEO optimization. If you don't know how to do SEO yet, go ahead and do default. Once you learn it, which is very important for you to learn, then go ahead and do manual. Then you can enter your related keywords in here, because credit card stickers is only one keyword. I did SEO research to find other long tail keywords, other things that people are writing into Google and searching so that they can find my credit card stickers article. Okay. You can do that in there. Now you can also have Koala Writer create AI generated images for you to include in your blog post. You can also have them go out and extract relevant YouTube videos to embed in your articles. This is important because Google loves it when people find an article where they spend a lot of time on. It signals to Google that your article is important. So when you add images, it breaks up those long paragraphs that keep people engaged with your blog post, your article, your website. Same thing with YouTube videos, right? If they're watching these YouTube videos from your blog post, they're spending a lot of time on that article, and Google's saying, yes, this is the article we need to show to people for these relevant keywords. Okay. You can go ahead and do that. I normally hit none. The only reason I do that is because I have my own YouTube videos that I want to embed, and also because I like to use original images that I actually take pictures of. Now, I will be going back into this credit card stickers article, embedding, adding images that I take, because I did go ahead and I ordered some of these credit card stickers, and I want to show, people that I'm using this and stuff like that. But I will show you right now, just so you can see that I did embed a TikTok video that I felt was important to do here. A lot of people want to know, how do you actually, stick these stickers onto the credit card and stuff. So I just found a TikTok video, embedded it into this article, right? It still gives people enough time to read the article, and then they're going to spend more time now watching this video, and Google is going to say, yes, this is a video. This is a blog post to show. All this other stuff is kind of self-explanatory, okay? For the point of view, I like to use not the third person. I like to use the second person. I like people to read my article and be like, oh, they're talking about me. This is what I can do. This is how I do it. So I always use the second person, right? Second version there. Then all you do, go ahead, create the article, click on this button, create the article, and then it will go ahead and create the article for you. So this is what it created for me, the credit card stickers article. That's all you have to do. That is what Koala Writer does for you. You can do this at scale. You can do this at scale to earn $500 per day online in 20 minutes worth of work. Once Koala Writer writes your blog post, all you have to do is then connect your Koala account to WordPress. Now you can go ahead and check out this article. It's going to show you exactly how to do it. You can also see a video that shows you a little bit more about it. Go ahead, connect Koala Writer to your WordPress account. What it's going to do, it's going to auto publish your draft so that you can go ahead, edit it any way you want, add the images, add the YouTube videos, whatever you want, and then you can go ahead and publish this, okay? So it's going to just streamline the process for you of publishing these videos, or excuse me, publishing these blog posts at scale. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fast track your way to making $500 per day. Now, I did say that I'm going to show you how I came up with the topic credit card stickers, right? Now, Pinterest predicts 2024 just came out. This is basically Pinterest forecasting based on information that they have for what people are searching for on their platform. They are forecasting what is expected to be trending in 2024. Guess what? They are about 80% accurate, because I believe this might be their 4th year or so doing this. They are 80% accurate. So what I did is I went to this report and I saw that Gen Z and millennials are searching for credit card stickers. You can see it right here in the Pinterest Predicts 2024 report. Now, I went ahead and I wrote an article about that because there are bloggers that write blog posts specifically for Pinterest, because Pinterest is a search engine on its own outside of Google. There are people that just do entire websites around what people are searching for on Pinterest, which, by the way, is an idea for you if you are just starting out with blogging. You can do that. You don't have to go the other route and do Google keyword research, but that is just another option, okay? There are other people that just do a portfolio of websites, and once they kind of figure this out and they know that AI can generate these articles for them at scale, then they know that they can make a lot of money by making tons of different websites with these articles, okay? So this is how I came up with credit card stickers. You can see that there are other things that Pinterest is forecasting. Again, they are 80% accurate. 80% accurate. Okay. Blue beauty. If you are into, the makeup beauty kind of niche topic and you want to come up with stuff like that, that's something that interests you, then I would say go ahead, look at this trending report, take a look at what's going on here. You can see that they even have this shop the trend now button, so you can shop people's kind of stores on their sites. A lot of people connect their Etsy stores to Pinterest and they drive this traffic over to their Etsy store where they make money selling these kind of products or digital downloads or whatever it might be, okay? This is how you can make money auto blogging. This is exactly what you need to do. Now, as you can imagine, there are a lot of people who will start finding this video, who will start figuring out that this is how you make money with these AI tools, with Koala Writer. And they're going to start doing this auto blogging. So you need to find an avenue to stand out. You need to find an avenue to stand out, because when it starts getting convoluted online, Google is going to say, well, there's a lot of AI writer blog websites out there, so we need to find the best ones out there. And the way to do that is you need to be aware of the different SEO tactics that will signal to Google that your site is better than everybody else's. And there are 7 different things that you need on your site in order to signal to Google that yours is the best to show. A lot of people don't know about these things, which is why they will do these auto-generated sort of websites and not get any traction. But if you know them, then you will have the ability to get traction, make sales, and withstand the test of time, okay? Some of that does require you at some point to start writing more of your input into these articles, which is what I'm doing. But to start, I go ahead, I generate these articles, I post them as is, I come back to them. Okay. Like I said, for this one, I did go ahead and I purchased the cuckoo covers for the credit card stickers. I'm going to show a video of me actually doing that, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and embed that as opposed to the TikTok video that's here. Or actually, I might keep that TikTok video and just embed my new TikTok video. And then I'm going to add original images of me actually, putting the stickers on these credit cards and the debit cards and whatnot. You're going to need to do these things in order to stay relevant for a long period of time and make $500 per day online. Okay. Now, again, I did say there's a link underneath this video to try out Koala Writer. There's also other important links under there. You don't want to miss out on those things. Now, guys, please do me a quick favor. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want more information like this. Let me know if this is information that interests you. I will do other videos like this if you want this. And then thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.